minute. This is one of those older models. Y'all see that? How many of y'all recognize this? Concorde. Y'all know what y'all know about the Concorde? I bet this thing got a 3.2 in it or a 2.7. Wow. Ticking noise, guys. Hey, you know how far. Uh-oh. I detect sludge. Now, y'all know. Look at that. That is sludge, guys. Can y'all see that? Now, y'all know my way of really. The best way to check for sludge on a 2.7 is to remove the valve cover. But I have a trickier, even better way to cut down on time and things like that. Y'all know what that is? Cam sensor. The cam sensor rides. The cam sensor monitors the cam gear, which is inside the valve cover. So any oil accumulation or sludge buildup will also show up on that cam sensor. Now, I'm really curious to know if there's sludge buildup because I have to stop if there is. My diagnosis go no further if I find sludge buildup. Get it. All right, guys, I'm here. Remember, guys, we need to find out. It's got a ticking noise. I see sludge in this area. So what I'm gonna do is go to my cheat strategy. We're gonna get this cam sensor out of here. And see if it has sludge accumulation on it. Alright, so let's try to pry this out of here. Yes, guys, there's a little on here. Ooh. Yes, alright. I'm going to recommend we remove the valve cover, guys. I have to get a, yes, that is sludge buildup. Any sludge buildup on this engine, all bets are off. So I will have to remove the valve covers, guys. Let me go tell somebody to tell somebody, and we will go from there. Stay tuned. Oh, wow. Alrighty, guys. Yep, it's sludge, but not, I've seen worse. But still, this is enough to stop. Okay, I can't. In fact, I would get in trouble if I even tried to attempt a repair. Remember, guys, it has a valve train ticking noise. It's small, but it's there. And the customer brought it in for that concern, like it wanted fixed. No, they will not let me attempt a repair. So my suspicion was correct. It's probably worse on this side. I'm only gonna pull one side. I found this side to be easier. Remember, I removed the cam sensor on this side, and I saw sludge particles on it. That's what led me to believe I should go deeper. There's some sludge on this car. So yeah, ain't nothing we can do to this, guys. It's either engine or nothing at all. And this is a 04 model, guys. I forgot to mention that. You're not gonna find a decent price 04 model Chrysler Concorde. Remember that? Concorde. 2.7 engine out. Okay. From what they got for me to tear this down was likely exceeded. I don't want to belittle the car owner. You know, I don't know. He might fire up YouTube and see me talking about his car. That's not my intention. But I'm saying things have to make economical sense, guys, from a financial standpoint. Is it worth it? All right. I don't know what they charged him for me to do this, but the car itself can't be no more than worth. I don't know. I'm not going to speculate, but I just wanted to get this off and verify my suspicions. It's not bad. Like I said, I've seen worse, but it is bad enough. Now, some of you will argue, the guy never got his oil change. Guys, I'm going to tell you something about this engine. you can. So it was some people. I was around during the early years of this production when it was out, and people was bringing it in brand new sludge buildup. We had records of those people. Everybody, a lot of people was changing their own oil back then, but a lot of people wasn't. So we would go to their file and find out we are the establishment that was actually changing their oil. And for some reason, guys, it's about a lot of it has to do with, I heard from engineers, is not driving it long enough when you finally drive it. Like if you hop in your car and it's cold, you run up the street to Quick Trip and you run back home and you shut it off, and it's a special kind of coolant you need to use, and all kinds of weird scenario as to why this engine just have a knack for sludge buildup. All right, now there's some guys out there that would brag on their oil that they use. Everybody have their own particular. I'm a Mobil 1 guy. Oh no, I'm a Pennzoil guy. Everybody got their own favorite oil, but and will your oil accumulate this? Now the thinking goes, if you change your oil on time, you shouldn't do this. So was this customer doing this? I can't say, okay, but I can't say. It's not my call to make. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I really, is this sludge? I ain't got no gloves on. Lord knows I should have gloves. Yeah, that's build up, caked up right there. I have to stop. My point is, guys, so, but don't, it's just something about this engine, all right? Yes, distilled water, coolant, and this, all kinds of scenario they was trying to come up with to combat that problem back in the early 2000 year model. That's when this car came out. It's a '04. So, but this car was out before then. People, like I say, shop was changing the oil and still finding stuff like this. So I don't know, but if I'm gonna say this, if they lasted this long, they did good. We'll put it that way. They obviously been changing their oil, but as far as a legit repair that we can stand by, I can't make it because of this. It could be simple rock arms. It could be the valve train ticking. Could be anything valve train related, but we can't. I'm not allowed to attempt a repair because of the sludge buildup. All right, guys, I just wanted you guys to see that where I was at on this 2004 Concorde, and that's that. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.